Sometimes people come in and they say, what are my chances of winning? We get our questionnaire filled out to find out what they remember about the case and what they can recall saying to the officer saying to them, what was the time sequence, etc. However, if we get the actual video and there's damaging things said on that video that we cannot keep from court, you may not have a choice except to plead guilty. Many times a person loses all control and starts using profanity or actual violent behavior toward the police officer. That's usually a recipe for loss if you're going to go to trial. You don't want to lose the case and spend the money for trial if it's going to be that type of case. We won't know that until we reviewed everything and look for an explanation, because in some cases a person's attitude or what they say may be triggered by what the officer first does. We won't know it until we look at all of it, but we're going to be very fair with you and say, this is what we see as a problem. Then you make the decision. I'm going to trial or I'm not going to trial. We'll do our best, but we can only deal with what you brought us. Sometimes things out of our clients' mouths prevent us from having a good chance of winning.